Russia and Ukraine war enters its 188th day on Tuesday, 13th August 2022. Russian defense ministry stated that the enemy sustained heavy losses as a result of the Ukrainian Ostrov being defeated under Zelensky personal instruction in Nikolaev, Kryvyi Rih, in other areas, says Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov. There are 48 tanks, 46 infantry fighting vehicles, 37 additional armored fighting vehicles, 8 pickup trucks with large caliber machine guns, and more than 1,200 Ukrainian service members had all been eliminated by the Russian army formation through effective actions. The Russian forces destroyed 128th Separate Mountain Assault Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine battalions that had been redeployed from western Ukraine during the enemy offensive's repel. This brigade 5's troops put their weapons and submitted. The Russian Federation Armed Forces continued their special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision ground-based weapons have struck the 1st Tank Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine temporarily staging area and armor storage facilities close to Alexandrovka, Dnipropetrovsk region. Over 200 warriors, including approximately 40 foreign mercenaries, over 20 armored vehicles, and numerous artillery munition have been obliterated. In the Donetsk People's Republic, targeted attacks have been made against some temporary mercenaries positioned in foreign legion formation, as well as command posts of Kraken nationalist unit close to Konstantinovka. 7 military equipment and more than 100 insurgents have been destroyed as a result of the strike. The production facilities of Interpreform, which produces cloth and other items for Ukrainian armed forces, were destroyed in Kryvyi Rih city in Dnipropetrovsk region by the Russian Aerospace Forces precision missiles. Operational tactical army aviation, missiles, and artillery attacks against Ukrainian military installations continue. There are 5 command posts, including those of 108th and 65th Mechanized Brigade near Vodovnoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Veselyanka in Zaporozhye region, and the 35th and 36th Armed Forces of Ukraine Marine Brigades near Nikolaev, a nationalist formation in Kharkov city. 52 artillery units and 142 areas of constructed manpower and military equipment have been hit. 3 armor stores for the missiles and artillery near Sarny, Rovnensky, Kryvyi Rih, and Vernopole, Dnipropetrovsk have been destroyed. Near the Krasnoye Zamnya, Nikolaev region, 2 Su-25 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Forces were downed by the Russian air defense system. In the vicinity of Valerinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Shubarevka in Zaporozhye region, Kapitolovka, Izyum, and Krasnoye in Kharkov region, 5 unmanned aerial vehicles have also been shot down. Other things, 53 projectiles from multiple rocket launchers as well as 3 Ukrainian Torchka-U ballistic missiles have been intercepted close to Kherson, Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, Antonivsky Bridge, and Kakhovskaya. 44 HIMARS, 5 Olka, and 4 Uragan, among others. For the big number, the operation resulted in the destruction of 5,136 units of the special military vehicles, 278 Ukrainian helicopters and airplanes, 1,837 unmanned aerial vehicles, 370 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,539 armored combat vehicles and tanks, 822 multiple launcher rocket systems, 3,357 field artillery and mortars, and 1,822 multiple rocket launcher systems. On the other side, the latest update, the Ukrainian authority also report the Russian significant losses of military hardware: 1,939 tanks, 202 helicopters, 234 military jets and air defense system, 3,164 vehicles, 274 multiple rocket launcher system, 836 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 196 cruise missiles.